I'm going to show you in this simple little video the basic steps of using AirPlay to be able to watch a movie or to do anything on your iPhone and broadcast it, or what's called cast it, display it on your TV. Now, the prerequisites of being able to do this is that the Wi-Fi that you're on your cell phone, in this case an iPhone, must be the same Wi-Fi that the device you're trying to broadcast on or display on, such as your big screen TV or your MacBook Pro or whatever device you want to display it on, must be on the same Wi-Fi. In this case, I'm on cafe underscore patio. The TV must be on the same Wi-Fi. Now, once that's set up, I can actually display my iPhone on that big screen TV. Now, if I upper right hand corner where you see the 98, if I gently put my finger there and drag down, there's an icon here that if I clicked on, it would display this screen on the same device. When I click on that, I can do screen mirroring on my Samsung 6 Series TV, which is right in front of me, or on my TLB Office or my TLB MacBook Pro. Now, I'm not going to select those because if I select it, it shuts down me recording this video. But that's the steps that you would use to do what's called screen mirroring and put your iPhone on that big screen TV. So let me show you how to do AirPlay in YouTube. It'll be basically the same as in Netflix and Prime, Max, et cetera, et cetera. If I'm in YouTube, and let's say I'm looking at a video. In this case, I'm looking at a video from Techno for Seniors, and which, by the way, you should subscribe to that channel. And I'm watching this video. So if I'm looking at the video and I'm watching it, then what I might want to do is hit pause. And you want to use the cast button. It's the button to the left of closed caption. Click on that icon right there and then select AirPlay. And when you hit AirPlay, you can choose where you want this video displayed. Now, right now, it's playing on my iPhone. I'm listening to it in my hearing aid, but I could put it on a Samsung 6 TV, or I can put it on my TLB Office, or I can put it on my MacBook Pro. Now, I can't click on those because if I click on those, it's going to shut down this recording. But if I click on Samsung 6 Series, if you've not done this recently, when you click on that, the TV may show you a code and say, type this code on your iPhone so that it pairs your iPhone with the TV. But once you've done that, you can, during this session or this time of day while both devices are on, you can display whatever you're watching on that TV. And again, I can do this on my YouTube. I can do this in Prime TV. There's that icon. If I click on that, it's going to go looking for devices. It should find my big screen TV. And I'm hoping it will. I can display it on my big screen TV. I can also do this in Netflix. I'm watching a movie in Netflix. There's that icon right there. I can click on that icon up there, and it's going to say, where do I want to put it? Do I want to connect to my Samsung 6 Series TV or to my TLB Office? This is called AirPlay or Cast, and it lets you watch any show and or display your iPhone on other devices. Again, the prerequisites are it must be an AirPlay enabled device, big screen TV, and you must be on the same Wi-Fi. One more cool iPhone trick that you may want to know about is called AirDrop. AirDrop will let me take files, photos, videos, off of my iPhone and AirDrop them to other devices that have AirDrop enabled. Typically, it's going to be a Mac product. So I did these two videos. You go look under photos. I did these two videos down here this morning. So I click on that video. This is the video I just did to build this video for you. Bottom left-hand corner, you'll see the box with the up arrow. If I click on that, I can send it in lots of different ways, but there's AirDrop. So I click on AirDrop and I can AirDrop this to my TLB MacBook. Click on that icon. Maybe you heard the little beep and you see in the upper right hand corner it was sending it, and now it's done. I can click done. If I want to, I can close this and stop airdropping it. But even more, I can hit the delete and delete it off my cell phone if I want to, because now it's on my MacBook.